it's Caitlin. Today we're going to be doing is showing you how to make the biggest bubble. So, first thing you're gonna need is your slime, of course. Well, it has to be big or small. I'm gonna do a bubble right now. It could be big or small, and you're definitely gonna need wide space. See how I have wide space? You're gonna need that, okay? So, please, all I need you to do for me is comment down below, say if this slime's good or my video. Please don't send any bad comments. Give this video a thumbs up and notification and subscribe, please. Okay. So first you're gonna need is flat your slime out to the floor. Okay, so now you're gonna straighten it. Now you're gonna hold it. Oh, still gonna hold it. Okay, there was a little bubble here, right here. See it? It's really, it was so swallow. Let's make it bigger. Start from there. Oh, that was so close. Oh, look at that bubble!
Oh my god, it's huge.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay.